Here I have this Kona electric bike monstrosity. It's a Kona 4. You can see it there, Kona 4, underneath that sticker, something suspension, YS, never heard of it. Anyway, so what have we got here then? It's an electric bike with a full suspension. It's got the Magic Pi 2 electric motor by Golden Motor. This is the Magic Pi 2, running on an external controller. Lovely duct tape down here. RockShox bar rear shock, and the battery. There's the controller. Cable ties, more cable ties, more cable ties. This switch should be inside the battery, but they've cut the battery down to fit, or the casement anyway. This is a milk bottle thing. Here is the display. It's done 447 miles apparently. One brake. There is no disc mount on the back of that motor for some reason. There is the throttle. Mazzocchi forks, Mazzocchi Z1 bombers no less, one of the best forks ever made in my opinion, in terms of reliability, which is a good job because these certainly have had a hot supper. There are scratches to the stanchions and everything. That one's quite deep, but it's not leaking. Seals are still good despite their age. See the chrome, the anodising started to come off there. There's no leaks. Max's tyre, it's pretty flogged out. Some of those cheapo eBay handlebars by Wake. One Shimano disc brake. WTB saddle. The frame's been painted as well. Overspray of black paint on here, so I've got to get that off. I'm going to strip this. There's a SRAM XO rear derailleur, a Superflow, SR Suntour Superflow crankset. There's a 7-speed on the back. The XO derailleur is not connected to a shifter. So how does it run? Let's find out. Now mode number 1. Yeah, this battery is 48 volts. The motor's rated at 1000 watts, but that's voltage drop under load. Under no load, you've got 3 bars. I'm gonna get up this hill. This is really struggling. That's the throttle's on the floor. The battery voltage hasn't died completely, but it's making some disconcerting noises, that's for sure. Come on! Still have batteries, you see there. 650 watts. Looks a bit second. So it says, but is it really 650 watts? I don't think it is. I think this thing's had the limit wires. Yeah, come on. I don't think it is. The voltage drop is ridiculous. Exactly option breather to go. I used to have one of those, they're fucking crap. Terrible cars. that concludes this video. See you later.